the Rivian is better, the Cybertruck is better. Guess what? Every electric truck that comes out to the market is a good thing for the entire electric market. What? To freedom. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. Welcome back to What's Inside Family. We're at the Milford Proving Grounds in Detroit, Michigan. It is this super top secret place. I was not allowed to bring my camera gear, my audio. They took my phone and they put red tape on my brand new iPhone 13 Pro. It's like, this is intense. We are going to be one of the first 25 people in the entire world that is not an actual Hummer employee to drive this thing. I don't want to get anybody in trouble, but GM, I'm coming. I'm going to hide in here. I'm going to get in there at some point. Oh. Hey! Okay. It's just not today, so. If you are in a vehicle for up to 20 minutes with somebody, they want you wearing the N95. That's why we are being extra safe. Okay, so this is the moment. This is gonna be fun. I don't know what I'm in for here, but it's gonna be great. So, all right, first things first.
This is a spot where if you wanna do a hard straight line acceleration.
So just got it, basically.
Yeah, you can stand on it.
It seriously throws you in the back of your seat. It makes noise inside, what sounds like a truck, and it doesn't feel right in a way that you're in this super heavy off-road truck vehicle going that quick. That's fun. That ride's really nice. So right now we are on a very steep hill. We have a GoPro back here, so hopefully you can see this, but all I see is the giant hood and the tops of some trees and some power lines. The nice thing about having, is it 18 cameras in here? 18 cameras, 2 of them are underneath it, is I can look and use the camera and see up ahead. It's just a dirt road. I'm good. I can go ahead and just drive right over this. And right here, like, it seriously looks like the edge of a cliff. But on the camera, I know I'm safe because I can see what's going on. So the back wheel can turn up to 10 degrees. So right now, we are in a really tight spot on a dirt road. It is such a tight turning radius, tighter than my cars that I have. So, okay, that's actually really impressive. And now we've got a slalom course here for me to drive through to show, while you're driving, like how easy it can be, how maneuverable it can be. Okay, this is the first time I've tested this. You gotta be kidding me, that is crazy.
And if you're worried about the cones, you can actually see them on the cameras here.
The turning radius is insane. I just ran over something. This is the moment that I've been waiting for. You saw the memes.
Push and hold?
Oh, push and hold. Okay, we push and hold it. It shows a little animation on the screen warning you, you're going into crab mode. Get ready for this. And it pulls up the cameras underneath. Well, you can put up any cameras. And here we go. We are now in crab mode. What? Oh, the back, it's so trippy. It's so trippy to be going straight. You turn, and the back end moves. Okay, that is something. So I can turn, I'm gonna turn as sharp as I can. Is that, yeah?
Absolutely, go for it.
There we go. Oh, full crab mode right there. I'm like getting sideways on the road a little bit. So up to 20 miles an hour. I feel like you're going pretty quick. I'm still doing crab mode. But then once you go above the 20, it starts to phase out, and at 40, it's completely out. We're out of crab mode. I wish you guys could feel this and see this on camera. It is really cool. Okay, we're going right where it says do not enter. We keep driving where it says do not enter. This is an intense part. I see a big pile of rocks with cones on them. Here we go, riding over giant boulders. Which way should I go?
Just tweak to the right a little bit. So
okay, just a little bit.
There.
Okay.
Just kind of ease on the gas. Let the system control
my
drop.
gosh. Those are some big boulders. That was intense. I can't believe we just went over that. All right, we're testing the on-road capabilities of this. Which mode are we in right now for driving?
So we're normal mode. Right
normal
now.
mode. This is normal mode. 55 or 60. Speed limit is 75 around this corner. So, okay. She's alive. Oh my gosh. You actually hear it. You can hear it sounds like a traditional gas motor. Okay, so this is a bumpy road. There's a big bump coming up. There we go. There are some bumps. We're getting an idea of what the suspension is like. It's so smooth. It's just like the suspension. You feel like there's no gravel and no bumps there at all. I'm gonna be fully transparent with you here. When I was here in Detroit a few months ago, when I first saw this, they told me about Watts to Freedom, and I thought it was one of the weirdest names I'd ever heard. I'm like, how does that mean the fast mode? The initials are WTF. When you are in Watts to Freedom mode, you're like, what just happened? I've done it before in Teslas.
Oh my gosh, honey, I feel so dangerous right now. If we both die, the kids, Daddy, the kids.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Whoa! But to do 0 to 60 in 3 seconds in something that weighs as much as it does make you go a little, what is happening right now? So, all right, Watts to Freedom. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. That's pretty good. It's like a roller coaster. It really is. Do not try this at home the first day you get your Hummer, but that was the winner right there. This thing is an absolute beast. It is crazy fast and crazy intense. A lot of you guys will know that within the last couple of weeks I was with Rivian driving that truck, and a lot of people are gonna ask, well, what's the comparison? Which one do you like more? Do you like the Hummer EV or do you like the Rivian R1T? And in some ways, I don't like to compare them as much because they are kind of a different category. This, they call it a super truck. They built it specifically for off-roading, and you can feel the difference when you're off-road. I would say this is probably a better off-road vehicle than the Rivian truck. Being able to ride in it is a lot different than just seeing it in person like I did before. It gives me a different perspective that is really fun and exciting to see what the future is with electric trucks. This will be the second electric truck that is produced and out there on the market in the world, in the history of the world, really. Rivian first, and then the GMC Hummer second. When the Cybertruck comes out, if it ever comes out someday, I'm excited to test that out and try it, but we're still like a year and a half away from that even being out. So this really is something that is more real. This isn't a production model yet, it's really close to it, but they are producing them and they should be out at the end of this month. Probably have to leave this place because it is like top secret and I've pushed it longer than I think I'm supposed to stay here, but thank you for watching. See you guys. I'm sorry for saying that I didn't like your name before. It's actually really cool and it actually makes sense. WTF.